Kiddwaya reveals why he continued friendship with Laycon after Erica left.
Because she got disqualified because of hat tiff with Laycon. You guys were cool. Even in the middle of the fight, on the Saturday nights, you and Laycon sat down and were having noodles together. You were like, whoa, who's the villain here? And then she left the house. You became almost even closer to Laycon. Did you feel like that was some sort of a betrayal of that friendship with Erica?
Not at all. Like I don't see how I'm gonna just. I'm a man. I'm a grown man. I'm a mature man. That's not a mature thing to do. Like let's be real out here. Like we're all guys. I'm not gonna shun. I had no issue with Laycon from day one, so I cannot create an issue with somebody that I had no issue with.
Let's talk about other.
Brother Naija housemate Kiddwaya has explained why he continued being friends with Laycon despite his alleged part in the disqualification of his love interest, Erica. Erica was asked to leave the reality show after she insulted Laycon and received a third strike 2 weeks ago. However, Laycon and Kiddwaya continued their bromance. During an interview with Ebuka, Kiddwaya was asked if his friendship to Laycon amounted to disloyalty to Erica. He replied that would have been that would have been me being disloyal to myself because I had no issue with him. I even asked Erica if I could call Laycon so we sit down and talk things over because I was not really the problem. My name just comes up in everything, he said.